First, let's discuss the importance of managing blood sugar. High levels can lead to serious health issues, including diabetes. Thus, finding natural solutions is essential. Now, let's dive into our top 5 herbs. The first herb is Gymnema sylvestre. Often called the sugar destroyer, it reduces sugar cravings and helps lower blood sugar levels. This plant has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, making it a popular choice for managing diabetes. Next, we have fenugreek. Its seeds are rich in fiber, which slows down sugar absorption. Adding fenugreek to your diet can significantly help reduce blood sugar levels. Third on our list is bitter gourd, or chlorella. Its juice has been shown to lower blood glucose levels effectively. Consuming bitter gourd regularly can be a great supplement for anyone facing blood sugar issues. Moving on, let's talk about neem. Known for its antiseptic properties, neem also helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels by promoting healthy insulin function. It's also used in teas and herbal remedies. Finally, we have ashwagandha. This adaptogenic herb helps the body manage stress. Studies suggest that it may help regulate blood sugar levels effectively, particularly for those with diabetes. To give you a real-world example, consider a typical Sri Lankan meal. Incorporating these herbs into your dishes can enhance flavor and improve health. Adding gymnema in a tea, sprinkling fenugreek seeds, or cooking with bitter gourd can create nutritious meals without sacrificing taste. In summary, we've discussed 5 powerful Sri Lankan herbs: Gymnema sylvestre, fenugreek, bitter gourd, neem, and ashwagandha. Each has unique benefits for lowering blood sugar. Using these herbs can help promote a healthier lifestyle. Feeling inspired? Start exploring these herbs today. Consult a health professional before making changes. Harness the power of nature for better health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more health tips.